Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So if you are not receiving the WhatsApp verification code, it usually means that you are facing the issue of network, carrier, or device issue. So this is the video to completely fix it. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to check your phone number. So make sure that you have entered your full number with contact code correctly. So if you have not entered it correctly, then you won't be able to receive the code. Secondly, you just need to make sure that your network connection or mobile has strong network on it. So if your mobile has no network on it, then you won't be able to receive the code. So to fix it, you just need to simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning it on, it helps you to fix the network error which you are facing on your device. And third option which you need to do is that you just need to wait for SMS. So it usually takes up to 5 minutes from WhatsApp to receive the code. If you are still not receiving the code, then you just need to open WhatsApp and you just need to talk with the WhatsApp support team, and you just need to tell them the issue that you are not receiving the code, and they will help you to fix the issue in a very easy way. So that's it. That's how you can fix the WhatsApp code not received on your device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.